10th class students, Assalamu alaikum. Today exercise number 1.3, question number 3 we will start. As students, in last lecture I informed you that if it's not quadratic equation, because the whole unit is of quadratic equation, but equation is not if perfect quadratic, then we have to make it quadratic. We have to convert it by using any technique. The equation is given. First of all, we will arrange it. Is equality sign, and it is on the other side. We will take on this side. Sign will be changed, means sign will be negative. 7x power 1 by 4, it's positive, plus 2 is equal to 0. Now this is the equation we have, but this is not exact quadratic. We have to make it. Students, I informed you that the variables power we will check if the maximum power we will minimum power we will change, means we will let that the minimum power is x power 1 by 4, and let y is equal to x power 1 by 4. Fine. And we will take its square, means we have to let it. So y square is equal to x power 1 by 2. Because it's greater value, it's smaller value. It's denominator is greater, it means value is smaller. Denominator is smaller, it means value is greater. अब वैसे देखने में तो कहेंगे कि 1/4 और 1/2 1/4 बड़ा है शायद. नो बेटा, 1/4 बड़ा नहीं है. जितना डिनोमिनेटर छोटा बड़ा होगा उतनी वैल्यू छोटी होगी, जितना डिनोमिनेटर छोटा होगा उतनी वैल्यू बड़ी होगी. इट्स मीन 1/4 इज स्मॉलर देन 1/2, and we will take it y and we will take it y square. So we can place these values here and we can make our quadratic equation now. This will become perfect quadratic now. That is 5y square minus 7y plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is now two equation, we can name it. We can apply factorization method here and we can solve and find our solution by factorization. Students, you know the criteria of factorization. Extreme terms we will multiply and we will check that what is the product. It's 5 2 times 10, and now we have to check that 10y square. We have to check that which pair we will choose, and we can get that the product of that those two numbers is 10y square, and the addition or subtraction should be -7. So one pair is 10 one times is 10, and the other pair is 2 5 times 10. 10 1 times 10, we are getting 10, but if we will add them we can get 11, or we will subtract them we will get 9. It means we will not use this pair. We will use this pair as 5 plus 2, that is 7, and 5 2 times, that is 10. So both requirements is fulfilling. That's why we will use this pair. It's 5y square minus 5y minus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0, because negative positive, and 7y sign will be negative, so that's why we have taken this one. Now we will take common from these both pairs. What is common here? 5y is common here. What is the remaining terms inside? Y minus 1 and minus 2. Y minus 1 is equal to 0. So now 5y minus 2, because both are same, so that's why we will take common. Bracket terms are same, that's it mean our factorization is 100% correct. We will take them equal to 0 on both sides, because both terms are equal to 0. So y minus 1 is equal to 0, and 5 minus So we need y value, y 5y is equal to 2, because it's negative here, it will be positive on the other side. Here y is equal to 1. So we got y, and here we need y, so we will divide on both sides by 5. We can get y in this way, 2 by 5 we got. But students, we have got just found y, but we don't need y, because our value is in term of our equation is in term of x. So we need to find the x term, x values, and we will place the value of y. Y is equal to x power 1 by 4, as so we will place it 1 by 4 is equal to 2 by 5. But we need x value, so we will take power on both sides for 4 power, and here x power 1 by 4 is equal to 1. Taking power 4 on both sides, so x power 1 by 4 whole power 4 is equal to 2 by 5 whole power 4, and x power 1 by 4, because we are taking power on both sides to cut it, it's cancelled, 1 power 4. So x is equal to 2 4 times, means 2 4 times it will be 16, and 5 4 times 5 5 25, and 25 125, and 6 25, it will be 625 x, and it will be x is equal to 1 power is 4, whether it's 4, whether it's 5, whether it's 0, whether it's 1, it will be remain 1, sorry. So x value is 1 and 16 by 4. So our solution set is 1 and 16 by 625. So this is our solution of question number 3, exercise number 1.3. This is the solution of question number 3. Now move towards question number 4, students. Now students, move towards question number 4, that is not pure, that is not general equation of quadratic equation. So we have to convert it into quadratic equation as it is. We have done question number 3, 2 and 1. So we will rearrange first. After rearranging, we got this equation, and x power 1 by 3 we put equal to y, and x power 2 by 3 we put equal to y square. So we will place these both values in this equation, and we can get our quadratic equation in general form. Fine. Now we can you can apply the factorization method here, and after that you can solve question as you have done already in question number 1, 2 and 3. Now move towards question number 5. Question number 5 is, we have arranged it first, means variables we have taken on one side and constant and equal to 0. We will place x power 1 minus 1 is equal to y, and minus 2 is equal to y square. So equation 1 becomes, because we have placed here the values of y and x square y square. So we got this quadratic equation. Now you can apply factorization method on this equation, and you can solve question as you have already solved the previous questions. So students, these are question number 3, 4 and 5. Today we have solved question number 3. I have solved a whole question for you so that your method will be cleared 100%. 4 and 5 question I have given you hint so that it can be well cleared to you. Now you will complete these 2 questions and solve on your register. Practice it frequently and solve on your register. Question number 3 as well. I will check inshallah in next inshallah I will check, and in next lecture we will start the next question number 6. Till then, Allah Hafiz.